Our service vehicle is a 2002 Ford Focus 2.0 liter engine, and we're going to replace our fuel pressure regulator. Sometimes they call it a sensor. Very easy installation and removal. 1/4-inch ratchet, T25 Torx bit, long extension, and a 10mm socket for our battery. Our part is located right here on our fuel rail. First thing we're going to want to do is disconnect our battery. And before we get started removing our fuel pressure regulator, we want to know that we have a fire extinguisher right here on hand. We want to make sure that the gauge is good. Give it a couple shakes, just in case there's a fire. We don't expect a fire, but just in case. It's always a great idea when you're working under conditions where there's fuel to wear safety glasses. For the purpose of the video, we're not going to wear safety glasses, but it's a great idea if you do. Let's get started. Let's go ahead, loosen our 2 screws. We're going to push this tab in and we're going to disconnect our electrical source. Move that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and remove our 2 screws. Gently lift up on this and twist it a little bit. We have a vacuum line here. We're going to go ahead, remove it. What we want to do is we want to check our factory part with our factory replacement, that our fitting is the same, our vacuum fittings are in the same area, and our electrical connections are the same. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead, reinstall our new part. We're just going to apply pressure and push down. We're going to connect our vacuum line. We're going to reinstall our 2 screws. Now we can install our electrical connection. Want to make sure it clicks. Pull on it, make sure it's firmly attached. We're going to connect our battery, we're going to start our vehicle, and we're going to check for fuel leaks. And that would complete our installation of our fuel pressure regulator.